Welcome back to SME Insights at the SME Mission Critical Workforce 2030 exhibit at the MT Series East. My guest today is Sandy Wilton. Sandy and I share a passion for doing student events at our big events, our big trade shows that we do in the industry. And we're going to provide you some insights on the Bright Minds Student Summits. Sandy, welcome to SME Insights. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
And thanks for all you do on behalf of schools and students at all of our events. The Bright Minds Student Summit is really something special. We've had plenty of students touring the SME Mission Critical Workforce 2030 exhibit today, and I know they've been all over the show. So can you tell me when SME started doing student summits at their regional events?
Yes, it was before my time here at SME, but it was about 2017 we started these, and just has been an incredible opportunity for these kids to come out.
Yeah, and I know they were doing student summits before that because I was working with some of your previous colleagues, and at another event in 2016 we were 3D printing rockets and shooting them off, and Stratasys was working with us on printing those rocket bodies. So, you know, it's all about giving students access to new technologies, new features, and then hands-on experiences at these events, isn't it?
Absolutely. They come here, their eyes are just so big and excited, and they just can't believe all the new technology that's out there. And just hands-on so they can see what they want to do in their career when they graduate.
Yeah, really
it's a great
important.
Opportunity.
And most of the schools that come through the Bright Minds Student Summit are already in career and technical education programs, right?
Correct.
Yeah, and we still do want to create awareness for our industry completely and let people know that there's jobs available in this industry. But for those students that have already enrolled, getting their hands on the equipment is really fascinating for them, isn't it?
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah. I even sometimes, when I get calls for homeschoolers, I allow them to come as well because they don't have that opportunity. So not only we have local high schools, we also technical schools and homeschoolers.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. That really is important because they need a community to help support them too. Yeah. Here in the Mission Critical Workforce 2030 booth, we've got some technology partners joining us. There's the Starrett company and Stratasys and FANUC who are here. Snap-on is with the Starrett company as well. So I got to see the students coming through here, and you have lots of student-friendly exhibitors throughout the show. How many companies are student-friendly exhibitors?
This year, or this event, we have 37.
Wow, that's good.
And they're throughout the three buildings. And we just are very grateful to these student-friendly exhibitors to sign up and to talk to our kids, engage. I had one student today got offered a job.
Oh, that's fantastic.
And in the past, I've had students get internships.
Yeah, great.
So it's just incredible.
At the companies that they visit while they're here.
Absolutely.
That's super. So what do they do? You're using the SME Plus app as part of the Bright Minds Student Summit. So they have to engage with that app, and then there's a QR code or?
Yep. So they walk up to the student-friendly exhibitors, and they're already prepped. The companies are prepped with their questions. They'll give us the questions to ask. The kids answer the questions by whatever they hear, and then they get points. They click the QR code and they answer the questions, and then they get points. The team of 5 that gets the most points at the end of the day, they all win 3D printers to take home.
Each one of the students?
Each one of the students.
Well,
so it's not for the school, it's for each of the students.
Okay, good. And so we're doing the Bright Minds Student Summit 2 different days here at East, and so we're done with day 1.
Day 1's done.
And have you declared a winner?
I did.
Okay.
Lower Valley Technical High School is the winner, and they are thrilled. So all 5 kids will have a 3D printer shipped to their house.
So they answered the most questions correctly based on the exhibitor questions and submitted all the correct answers that way. And it's teams of 5,
Teams
I
of
think
5.
you said. Super.
So I had 90 students today.
Okay.
And 40 volunteers, educators, and chaperones. Tomorrow we'll have 80 students. It's just a great opportunity for these kids.
Yeah, it's great exposure for them. I know I volunteered in 2023 for you, acted as chaperone with a group of students, and they did pretty well that year too.
Yeah.
Kind of a ringer. I've got a lot of experience with students. So
for sure.
That's good. Let's talk about some of the other things that you do. Okay, so first of all, Bright Mind Student Summit again tomorrow.
Again tomorrow.
More schools coming, so we'll see more of those students in this booth here again as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's Starrett, Snap-on, Stratasys, FANUC. Talk about some of the other ways that you work with Stratasys.
Stratasys and I are, and SME are a partner for SkillsUSA. We write the state and the national contest, Additive Manufacturing contest, and then we administer it in person in Atlanta next month actually. And so we'll have about 120 students, high school, post-secondary, and middle school. Last year we were asked to do, to bring in middle schoolers as a pilot, and it went out so well that they've asked us to do it again this year, and it'll be one of our contests now.
Yeah.
It's a real contest.
120, there's usually probably at least one student team from each state, and then
usually, yes,
and then some middle schoolers as well.
Teams of 2.
Teams of 2.
So we have a design day the first day, and Stratasys prints all night long. And then the next day we have a redesign.
Yeah.
And the third day they are in front of judges. Those are 6 judge stations with 4 judges in each station. Is pretty intense.
And they also have a written test, right?
They do. They have the Additive Manufacturing SME, Additive Manufacturing certification exam.
Okay.
Is part of that. And then SME gives scholarships. We have 3D printers that we give to the kids. Lots and lots of prizes.
Yeah, terrific. Good. And I know SkillsUSA is a big passion of yours. How long ago did you start working on that one?
2019.
Yeah. As you know, I've been involved with SkillsUSA too. I think it's a super organization involved in the CNC machining skills, and now there's a 5-axis machining skills competition as well. But just that SME is involved with the additive manufacturing competition in partnership with Stratasys. So cool.
I think I just want to say that being with Stratasys and all their staff, it's like I run the logistical part of everything and they write the contest. It works like a charm, and we're so grateful to them.
Yeah.
So grateful.
Yeah, Jesse and Anne Marie and team, they're all wonderful people, and
Absolutely.
they share the same passion that we have for the next generation coming into careers in manufacturing too. And really proud of what you do for SME.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining me here today.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks.